ikiagera omanyete una twaira chikura chia kerenyo kiri emendi aso abandu isika bakumiringa bagusia abo no ba muire lakini omaite bono indi baganya kora isika iga omaite ngo teisia ende tage tomo ujon tegerera tan tegerera buya omaite kero monta go chese ino ako ikaranza lirinya narojo yo ndakoreta na tembe mwishimi Onyonka nero murisi betia kamoreta go narojo na tembe akurire ligweta ajikora nyora masio abantu basumaire tiboko kerete abarayi Gusii matiangi bamusumaire ngaroma idana tembe wa de Onyonka imenda we imenda we dra bondo jo na ko mojera riga imenda isinge ncho bantu bakora bono ekero togocha gocha abageni abankurigere libaro manyete na bakora ngaki tuwa ba received amaiso omete bakurigere amaiso ngaki ekero bakora abantu musumaire mukogete bakabanda ata basumaire liyo obugambi bwagire Gusii 2027 omete bakora abantu berure ngabono ekero geke ngokereta tole be aminete igo bono togocha Gusii turansire litukoria Jumatatu nyasa gwanja litukoria Monday turansire omete bakatonya ali ekerenye ise kura ya akubuya nyakundi abantu bali nende amasiabo mbuya alenga bagiranga bali na roje turatonya ororo namba bona tembea yabo rigiji na karua yabo munya bararigiriria abantu bali babagire mbuya mono ngainu mwaturo kina kikenye boneta ko njigo juma etanye mushimi Onyonka nyendiri yaba njuma nyeto nanga twaike kerenyo tutale n'abantu guika tutale na baru guika batokobe n'ikigari kiri tosoye kerenyo burunge tokoroginga ne president twalisi ugo cha Gusii injireri alisi ariko tabanga munga nyere bandu munga nyere itibo lipinga kiento tere yu tiga tutere nga moto kanyera ali kerenyo no to gwanjera to kanyera ali konge moto kobe guika to gukora kurwali tomanya gusuka enga yu to kurwali kerenyo to tirumbo kenyamira to kuru nyamira ndokora lyo mugetuto mindo marani nera to atorusio lyo tole na bono na magi to kumakiri onyenga kinire konyo manye to nyanga tebya abanda bagutuburi ngaki motara to tegaya Gusii mbona gokomera Gusii nanye to koria gashi bono nkore mali lakini kowenga mogojo mutinyu kabere gukigati moyino abantu bagurira gokomera bona mujo mugutana saa 5 moko nyarando babakanyete bono mangana tayo abantu mugondo bakale abantu bagutiga ngakibando bono cyabere buronge tikatobarisiwe arafu nende program na boko twaresa kuchise county ya Gusii kuruchu maine ngaitora atoke lakini egentu yo katware ko saba abantu bise basoka buronge omanyete bagosoka buronge bono tutokwira na tote bya abantu abandi ngamuruki konye muko nyakuburi nga Gusii bamuye bono mwaruri omuntu soka ali aye kutogoso abeke toro kia maino beke smile yenye no muswati nsaruteri korwali kinda ali kongo tirumboko tanga matia ginaye bueka umatonya kalansa kuboninga kibagota wade kalansa nga wade tumbe amua president ndio yo inaingia hapo umatera boko mate namba iteke Gusii ono motorisi uyalia tobeke rwa matere ito buya tenge omanyane nyangi omwana itokuru kumatiangi tomalete buya bono tomanyanga kuru Gusii igotokolete bono gotoja gotomu mushimi Onyonka boardroom egento gyo kakora abagori ga simuli kuja Gusii simuliona ibintu biko baraizyo mwana.
Okay. Thank you Nyakundi. On Monday tariki 23 Jumatatu 23rd otole suppose ko visit ekare to ko Narok to iche paka Nyamira. We are supposed to be at Nyamira town, then after that to Nyamira Ekerenyo. Ekerenyo and then Tomatrimboka Nyamira, then from Nyamira to roll down which we to Chache. And I believe we'll pass through Kegowi and then go to Marani Nyene. Say Nkolekoro ya Tutuere. Chitaliki on Tuesday 24th. Manyago etera Nyanturago. All right, this is a decision and the exact places may not be the same way. In other words, Nora Nyakwaya Nairo was Suneka, don't worry about it. But the reality is that on Tuesday, Ntubuate Nyanturago, Ntubuate Nyakwaya, Ntubuate Suneka, Ntubuate Nyamarambe. Now, how the order we will fine tune and we'll explain further. So we want to wait to know what's going to happen. On Wednesday, Tarehe 25, Ntole suppose goeta Ogembo, Ntole suppose goeta Kanyinya, Ntole suppose goeta Nyamache, and most probably we'll finalize at Masimba. Are you with me? Yes. Now, these places, Togokwana, there's a possibility that there could be a change of venue. Kuna bono na Traike Karatokuru Nyamira, to roll down togende marani togwika marani tokonyora we have got some time na utura decide to ende yoka tuchukokolera nyakoy.
Okay.
You understand the
So it's a 3-day event?
It's a 3-day event. We might actually na utura mentally tukelimo extra every 4 so that Nyamira etuale 2 days and then Kisii etuale 2 days. But we are coming in a big way. Candidates once people opposition they are coming. Mheshimiwa Gachagua is coming, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka is coming, Mheshimiwa Martha Karua is coming, Justin Muturi is coming, Eugene Wamalwa, Natembea, the whole team. They have never come. The significance is that this is the first time that our candidate, other than in a homecoming area, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i Kolete Karachi Gusii, now is a homecoming for opposition leaders. Bachiche na ande ko nkosa bamwanya getinge abantu minto etutagete ekarabageni aba bagutara na intwe tutwara maskani twesike tubasike tutwari kirya siasa kingiya kibwato mogoko kibwato mulembe kibwate a messaging so that yabana inche understand kitoka. Of course we are getting reports ngaba murambaro, I don't know who's planning koleta violence nga tokani we ngitoji gokora Gusii ngandu wene gokora chikura. You know, I've been telling these brothers of mine, we are children of the same mother. Siasa ya gisiumba njanya kwa gachonde. The moment you could hear abantu bachikuitera manyinga ngo kubakani ngamba agenda bachikukwane rugo sebakwane rugo. Na yo waiter, and I can tell you Nyakundi, the number of people ngwaro jibuna abantu abale ngitengera ngumbwa. Nyakundi toka ende Gusii erali ya Matiang'i Nyamira ya lenge. People are going to be shocked. No, leta guns 2000 to kunyara Mheshimiwa Okongo. It's crazy. We have moved from threatening people to ekesongo tokotenga ki. We are no longer afraid. Ntulikuobo abono. Ekiagara there's nothing wrong tokokora. Especially if you're fighting for God's people. Why would you worry? We don't worry. We are beyond violence. We are beyond intimidation. We are beyond being told negative things in Akoramo. I am beyond there now. We are coming with the opposition members because we want to discuss even to be who affect the community of Gusii. Na andetali onde tugoja korama. Na abantu tugoja kubekere record straight. And I'm very, very happy that our team is ready. We are prepared. Na mangana ande bunago chikunya gochencha, you will be informed. And we are going to have Senator Okongo Nyamira basically coordinating with the rest of the team. Na ande kerengote, for example, Senator Okongo is going to organize now and Nyamira. It is not that nega seeing how Onkomoa. It is we are equal. We are equal friends. We are good friends. We work together. For us, we have a candidate to get a successful so that na into Moscow ni nyumba ya mwenye getingo Gusii tobe mesa na toko barua bantu batenga ki abantu bali mama yete kolenda na ndi mama yete kora lebintu byabo ko chimutunga ibigoche
naende ya Mheshimiwa Onyonka. Yes. Ntuntu anyako interfere nejira licha
UDA. No, we don't bother.
Igo togo so baba chumbe baito bospi. Ahiga se togo eta naende togo eta chi constituency cha abantu ba Gusii basikire. Matekero go so Nyamira igo gwakunire se Mheshimiwa Nyanjo bwo cha lenge. Ekero go gwaso ekerenyo no ateba agambe miaka yonse. Ekero go genda Nyanturako Nyakundi. Igo kunyoria ba Gusii ngabara imba lenge Gusii bale kurukomanga. Bale kurukunya chai. Igo apa ntaba ba minto including yo musani ono kurukuzahiri. Omakoli twaro siri obakobu ya bakatoete kerogo. Tigabona ato eliba gabna toko mwali bakekeragocha. Tuitororo tukole siasa eri tukwana ya tukwana nere kara nyoreri tukulinde lakini yo isako temanga ngwaja Nyantura goja gusariri Matiang'i yo Gusii yo gukora gwa anyore kirogo ngota ibinga no ena bantu banyali bali boka mbago kwa amore egiana mo maitenga no eno mwaka nyajaya ise kuboka.
Yes,
aboke boli rero nyaja ubokira anyore ngana yoro mujumbo nyali bali yogo kanya ba Gusii nga mosa ko chora Gusii ko president ngiro nyachara gote ako kebiranye bibe igo tigatoe gwe libaga toche Gusii bweka auro kyabagenya bagochanga Gusii bwamuire nga ngobwate siale umwana omwabo kuruku Matiang'i ese gero ke president aye ko twakolire nayo uri kichinga kichiao
nayo le the
ole te
candidate
chiombe
yao.
chichiao
Yes.
nonye kama kunywa mabera ayo